Hello, my fourth grade families and friends. We are learning how to use division using this very visual model to help us out. Let's set this aside for just a second and let's think of this exact same problem using base 10 blocks. So 679 is my dividend. I am dividing that number by 5. 5 is my divisor. And then I'm finding the quotient. The quotient is the answer to a division problem. So 600 will look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? They're all so big, so I'm going to make them smaller. 600. And then, how many tens do I need? Well, there's a 7 in the tens column, so I need 7 tens, also known as 70. But I don't need 70 tens. That would be a very different number. I just need 7 tens. That's 1 10. I'll make it smaller. Then I'll duplicate it. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, right? There's a 7 in the tens column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then 9 ones. Of course it's 9 ones. It's always 9 ones. 1, 2. Oh, I'm going to make him smaller again. You know what? Yeah, whatever. It's fine. Duplicate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 679. And now I'm grouping them into groups of 5 as much as I can. We'll start with our largest groups. So I can make a group of 5 right here. Right? Here's a group of 5 hundreds. So I have 100 that I must dissolve into tens. So I need 10 of these, right? Ugh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there is that 100 all dissolved. Now I can do more groups of 5. So, oh, this is 10. How convenient. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know my tens and my groups of 5. So there's 2 groups of 5. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here's 5. So, in my hundreds answer spot, I'll have a 1 because there's 1 group of hundreds here. There's 1, 2, 3 groups of 5 tens. So there's going to be 3 in my hundreds place. And then, there are these 2 tens all left over. They must be dissolved into ones. And that will be, okay, I'm going to draw them. I'll do yellow, and I'll make them this big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, I don't want to cover any up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there's my 20 that I just dissolved. Now I need to circle groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very careful. Here's 5 and 5. Okay, and then I've got these guys left over. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means what? I've got left over 4 that did not, oh, it's supposed to be an R. I've got that leftover 4 that did not make it into an equal group. So that is my remainder. Those are my little leftover beans. Oh, excuse me, not 4, not 3. I have 4 left over. But how many little groups of ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 135 and remainder 4. So, using Mrs. Forbes's, using Mrs. Forbes's equation to figure out if I did it right, I'm going to do my answer, my quotient, 135, and I'm going to do it times my divisor, so quotient times divisor. So 135 times 5, 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 30 is 150. And 5 times 100 is 500. Terrible. Plus it all together, add it all up. 5 plus 2 is 7. 6 plus 1, 5 plus 1 is 6. That I'm not going to draw backwards. And then I have to add my remainder, which is 4, which should give me my initial dividend. Let's see, 675 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9, and 7 plus nothing is 6. 7 plus nothing is 7, and 6 plus nothing is 6. I got the right answer, so I know it's 135 remainder 4. A long video to show how to visually divide groups. Instead of drawing all of these out, I encourage you to try this, because keeping it organized this way, I think, is a little cleaner. It is still very, very visual. It's 600, and then 70, and then 9, right? And just like we built it on this slide, 600, 70, and then it started with 9, we needed to move stuff around. And we'll have to move stuff around on this one too. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Go ahead and click on the next video to watch more.